There are so many incredible places to see in Banff. From stunning lakes to breathtaking mountain views, it is perfect for exploring trails, paddling on the water, enjoying winter adventures, or just taking in the scenery. Hey everyone, I'm Shen. I live in Alberta, Canada, and since I'm just 3 hours away from Banff, I've had the chance to explore it countless times with my family. So here are some of the best places to visit in Banff. Number 1 is Moraine Lake. Moraine Lake is located in the Valley of the Ten Peaks, which is a stunning area in Banff National Park. The lake has vibrant turquoise water surrounded by huge towering mountains, making it look almost like a picture from a dream. It is one of my favorite places to visit. This spot can get very crowded, especially during the summer, so I recommend going early in the morning to enjoy the peaceful views without too many people around. Also, public vehicles are not allowed to park at the lake, so you will need to book a shuttle ride in advance to get there. I'll include the shuttle details in the description below to make it easier for you to plan your visit. Number 2, Lake Louise. Lake Louise is one of the most famous and beautiful places in Banff National Park. In the summer, you can rent a canoe and paddle across the lake, enjoying the amazing views of the mountains and the historic Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. This is a grand hotel right by the lake. In the winter, Lake Louise becomes a magical snowy wonderland. You can ice skate on the frozen lake or just enjoy the breathtaking views of the snowy mountains all around. If you are visiting in the summer, it is a good idea to go early in the morning to avoid the crowds and get the best lighting for photos. While you are at Lake Louise, I also recommend stopping by the Guide's Pantry Cafe inside the Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. It is a cozy place to warm up, grab a snack, and enjoy the stunning view of the lake. Number 3 is Banff Gondola. The first time I tried the Banff Gondola was with my parents and my sister, and we had an amazing time. The ride offers a panoramic views of the Rockies, and when you reach the top of the Sulphur Mountain, the views of the Banff and the surrounding mountains are unreal. Don't forget to visit the observation deck for some incredible photos. If you are up for more of an adventure, you can also hike up the Sulphur Mountain Trail, which takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to reach the summit, and the scenery along the way is beautiful. And whether you take the gondola or hike up, you'll have an unforgettable experience. Number 4 is Johnston Canyon. Johnston Canyon is an amazing hike with waterfalls, cliffs, and lots of green forests all around. In the summer, the waterfalls are flowing strong and everything is covered in green plants. It is a perfect time to see the nature at its best. In winter, the waterfalls freeze into a beautiful ice shapes and the canyon looks like it came up from a fairy tale. It is a totally different magical experience. The hike is about 5 kilometers long, and you can walk on a path with bridges that take you right over the canyon. It is a great spot to visit no matter the season is. If you are hiking Johnston Canyon in winter, make sure to wear sturdy waterproof boots and bring micro spikes or crampons for better grip, since the trails can get really slippery. Dress warmly and pack snacks and water to keep your energy up. And always check trails conditions before you go. Number 5, Bow Falls and Surprise Corner. Bow Falls is a beautiful wide waterfall with stunning mountains in the background. It is just a short walk from the town of Banff, making it easy for visitors to reach. In the summer, you can even see people canoeing or rafting on the Bow River. After visiting Bow Falls, you can take a short walk to Surprise Corner. This spot gives you an amazing view of the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel, which is a grand castle-like building that is perfectly framed by the surrounding mountains. It is a popular place for photos and a must-see for everyone visiting Banff. Number 6 is Bow Lake. Bow Lake is a beautiful, lesser-known spot in Banff National Park. It is a glacier-fed lake, which means the water comes from melting glaciers. Because of this, the lake has a stunning turquoise color, especially on sunny days. We visited on a cloudy day, so the lake color wasn't as vibrant, but it was still incredible. The lake surrounded by towering mountains, making it a perfect spot to relax, take pictures, or have a picnic. Number 7, Cave in Basin. Cave-in Basin is a special place in Banff because it is where Canada's national parks first began. That makes it a must-visit for everyone who loves history. Here, you can explore natural hot springs inside a cave, where warm water bubbles up from underground. Even though you can't swim in them, they are really cool to see. There are also scenic trails where you can walk and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Inside the visitor center, you can learn all about Banff's history, including how the national park was created. It is a fun and easy place to explore, taking in the scenery and connect with the past. Number 8, Lake Minnewanka. Lake Minnewanka is a great place to visit if you love being outdoors. You can go on a boat cruise, have a picnic, or explore hiking trails. The lake is really big that it is actually the longest lake in Banff National Park. We also brought our fur babies here and they had so much fun. If you bring your dogs, just remember to keep them on a leash and follow park rules to protect the wildlife. Whether you are on the water or walking along the shore, Lake Minnewanka is a beautiful place to explore. Number 9 is Grotton Canyon. Grotton Canyon is an amazing hiking trail just outside Canmore. It is about 45 minutes from Banff. My boyfriend and I hiked it in the winter, and it was such a cool experience for us. We walked on a frozen creek and saw incredible ice formations, including breathtaking frozen waterfalls. Also, the trail isn't that too hard, so it is a fun adventure for all ages. If you go in the winter, make sure to wear warm clothes and good hiking shoes with ice clips so you don't slip on the ice. Number 10, Emerald Lake. Although Emerald Lake is located in Yoho National Park, which is just across the border from Banff National Park in British Columbia, it is still a great place to visit if you are in the area. This lake is known for its deep turquoise waters, surrounded by mountains and lush forests. You can walk along the shore or rent a canoe for an even better view. So if you have time, definitely add this to your itinerary. Let me know in the comments below if you have been to any of these amazing spots. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video!